Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode. For today, we are going to have a how-to episode. How to connect a Blue Yeti microphone to the Xbox One and your TV. So I will give you the step-by-step directions tutorial on how to connect the Blue Yeti microphone. So what we're going to need for this Blue Yeti tutorial on how to connect it to an Xbox One, the first thing we're going to need is actually a Blue Yeti microphone. Awesome. Then the second thing you're going to need is an Xbox One controller. Then the next thing you're going to need is what's called a 6-foot 3.5 millimeter audio cable. Then another thing you're going to need is a Turtle Beach headset audio controller plus. Then you're going to need one of these cords. It is a splitter. Now the key with this splitter is that, as you can tell, there is a spot for the microphone, and then there's a spot for the headset, as you can see the logo. So definitely keep that in mind. You need that splitter. Then we have a USB cord that Blue Yeti actually gave us in the box. So this actually is how the Blue Yeti microphone gets power. So let's get started. So step number one is to connect the Turtle Beach headset or the audio controller to the controller. And it should snap in, which it just did fine. So that is step one. So for step two, you're going to actually have to plug in the USB power plug to the Blue Yeti. So this is the cord that they give you. So I'm going to plug it into the Blue Yeti. Right here. Remember, I'm doing this one-handed. So, all right. And then we need to plug this into the Xbox. So this needs to go to the Xbox. So let's bring it over here. We're walking it over and just connect that bad boy right to the side. So now that you see that it's blinking, technically the Blue Yeti is muted, but it is not connected to the Xbox One yet. But the next step is you come back down to your controller, and you need to plug in this splitter. So as I mentioned before, you need a splitter that had a microphone and a headphone jack. So we're going to plug that in right to here. And it is connected. Now what we're going to do is connect up our headset and the 3.5 millimeter audio cable. So the very first thing is we will connect the lovely headset. So we will put that over here, and then we will grab the headset one. So this is, see how, wrong one. See how this one is for the headset? We will plug that in. There we go. That is fully and completely plugged in. Now for the next step is we need to plug our 3.5 millimeter cord over into the splitter, which I'm currently doing. There you go. Now the other end of this cord needs to go into the Blue Yeti. So here is the other end, and we're going to plug it right into there. There we go. It is fully and completely plugged in. Now we're going to actually unmute. So this is actually unmute. When it's blinking, that means it is muted. Anyways, now we're going to see if it's completely connected to our Xbox One. Okay, so we're back in the Xbox One party. I'm by myself in the party. So, I know I'm very cool in a party by myself. But anyways, as you can tell, there's a white ring that pops up. That shows that the Blue Yeti is actually working correctly. So if you have any questions, please let me know in the comments section below. Please remember to like, subscribe, and comment. But this is how you connect a Blue Yeti microphone to a PS4. PS4 is very similar, or an Xbox One. Thank you very much. Have a great rest of your day.